Hello everybody, here's my latest piece. It's Maggie Moo the cat, and I'm sorry to say it's a memorial mosaic made in her memory. It's a companion piece to Arthur, who was the previous cat, and he was shown in paradise with a bright gold background and rainbow going round for the border. This time I've calmed it down a bit. It's not the gold, this is the white gold, or a warm silver if you like. It's still gold, but it's a much more subdued. And we've only got the moon, because I thought being a black cat, we'd go for that sort of look. The background owes a lot to recent works. We've got the reeds and buds from Swan Lake, and I really liked the hibiscus in the Reeves pheasant, so I've remade all those. And we've broken up the periwinkle with some creams, and then I just added 3 little posy flowers in pink just to make it pretty, really. Trying not to make her look like a silhouette was quite difficult, but luckily there's a new glass out which is a black with a silver iridescent surface, so that really helped to highlight. And the tiny bits remaining, I've used sort of iridescent purples and greens and so on. You looking at it now, it probably just looks like a black shape, but in real life there is a lot of form in there. Anyway, I think it's pays a tribute to Maggie Moo. I think it does her honour, and luckily for me, my client agrees with me.